Hello everybody, my name is Jose Hernandez. I'm going to be your teacher today for the first lesson of the course B1.1. I'm going to explain some grammar issues that can be useful for you, both for your 5 skills, but also for your exam. So I'm going to start giving you some steps that I will include in block 1, okay? So let me show you. I'm going to go into Google, then I'm going to type grammar in use word, I'm going to essential English review, click into it, and I'm going to get the most important issues from here, and I'm going to copy and paste them in our OneNote. So I'm pasting it with Control plus V. You can see it there. I'm going to write down class 1, so you will get used to recognizing which class and when it's done. Okay, I'm going to play a little bit with the program. So for example, I'm going to put in black a couple of things. I'm going to highlight a couple of things in yellow too, a couple of words, so they call your attention. I'm also changing the color of some words. Okay. After that, I'm going to go into drawing, and I'm going to choose different things like an arrow in blue, so you can see, for example, something important that I want you to know. I can make a question mark, interrogation. So it's very useful. I can also delete them if I consider that they shouldn't be there, or I think twice about what they have done. Okay, and now I'm going to copy some images that you can follow. I go into present continuous, I'm doing, and within unit 1 I'm going to copy one image, for example. I'm going to paste it now, Control and V within the square. And I also want to show you not only an image but a video as well. So I go into present continuous, YouTube, I look for a video, for example, present continuous uses some examples, and I go to copiar vínculo, come back to OneNote, Control and V, and through that link you can see the video straight on, which is a very important thing. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.